This video is going to be all about Michael Phelps. Back when I was growing up, I loved every form of sport except one, that was swimming. Why? Because it was the only one I was really bad at. But there was always one guy who I really enjoyed watching on television when it came to swimming. I saw Michael Phelps for the first time when he was in the Olympics in 2008 in Beijing. In that Olympics, he won 8 gold medals. I never come across that before, but that was just the start of Michael Phelps' journey. In the 2012 Olympics, he went on to win another 5 gold medals, or maybe it was 4, and 2 silvers. The guy was decorated with medals, 18 in total, before this summer's Olympics. But it's not only the medals that he's won that inspires me so much, it's the brands he's associated with, particularly Under Armour. Under Armour have been doing a series of commercials for the past 6 years, all to do with the hashtag or the slogan I will. Stuff around protect this house, rule yourself. All these like little slogans to do with self-empowerment. And Michael Phelps has been a part of those ads throughout the years. In every single one of those ads, after I've watched them, I feel like I want to go out, kill it, get every single goal I've ever wanted in the world. It's a truly rare situation when you can find in one person a life philosophy and performance to back it up that encapsulates what it is to live a successful life. Not only one that earns you lots of money, not one that gets you loads of medals, but one that's fulfilling and inspires others to go after their dreams.